state control naman. Sobra yun, no? And then, yung mga kumpanya, may mga pasyente na sabi nila, they will not say to the company that they are married. Kasi they have less chances to be to get employed because yung pregnancy benefits ang iniisip ng kumpanya. Or kung mag-pregnant na sila, they go for termination because they have no choice. Okay. Sa naman, sa teenagers, ang DOH mawala pa rin ba ito? Or pwede na mga okay, they are reviewing kasi adolescent reproductive health. Kung di ba ang YAPS, maraming sexually active na teenagers. Why don't we give them the condom for their boys? In fact, many of the fathers, they give condom to their sons. But they will not give condom to their teenagers. Diba discrimination din yan? Discrimination of age and sex. Bakit you prevent your son from impregnating somebody, but you cannot prevent your daughter from being impregnated? That's another concern. And then, okay, sa feedback naman, itong discrimination, no? Sa Makati, adolescent, tapos prostitution, ang case, hindi na required ng fixed step. Tapos, ito, discrimination in economics kasi ang mga rich, they can go to certain doctors, so they can go to Hong or they can go to so, discrimination din. It's a gender issue. Okay, and it is also a gender issue because of the education. And we know that even if it's illegal, as we saw before, half a million of our women are having abortion, unsafe. So we have to prevent unsafe abortion. How? Family planning. So we must have privacy ng nakita natin at sinabi na natin about baby interpretation. Sa hospital noon, nilalagay ang pangalan na ayaw ko sa hospital ninyo, nilalagay pa ninyo ang pangalan ng pasyente sa Twitter. Oo. Hindi na, no? Kasi that is, baka makita yung second wife o third wife, ng isang tao, kasi sa hospital yun. Pero, kailangan yung service, because really private. Maraming cases doon, meron kung nakakinig ko dito, meron na. But it's only for the records. Ang technology ng safe abortion, it's not available, but it is available in us. So, discrimination dito. Next. Okay. Sa data pa yan, before that. Yung RTIs naman is ang gender concerns ngayon, the women are more vulnerable to STIs in that. And it's more difficult to diagnose. And we have the BFA, the sex tourism, the military, the mobility, yun ang mga nakakaramdam ng STI natin. And women who have STI, pakilig ay malat para pakilig sa akin. They do not consider their symptoms as abnormal. Kung minsan, nakakatingin sila o marami na pero ugas lang ng ugas ng bayabas, pero hindi sila nagpapakonsulta. But you as midwives can already be able to do that. And then yung sakit ng babae ang takot. Instead of discrimination. Hindi naman nagkasakit ng babae, hindi yung lalaki nagbigay ng sakit niya. So, it means that they will be and also, I think, fighting against the social hygiene clinics. Kasi, malalaman mo, the prostitution is here, that we can pupunta sila naman. Then, maraming kalukuhan dyan, maraming mga pictures na bibigay na yung maraming ginagawa dyan, na aming itawa. And I have seen in some cities, the social hygiene clinics, ang ang ating pagkakalili. Ang sabi ng mga sex workers. So, maraming mga rason, rape, maraming mga rason. Okay. Yung painful sex, do they complain about painful sex mga pasyente? Yes. So, maraming causes yan. Merong pasyente ko noon, the day after they got married, they were in front of face kasi they were not able to consummate. Kasi tuligyala yung babae, hindi siya, she was not relaxed. Hindi niya alam how to express her love. So, he is feeling shame and guilt. And all, diba dyan, is too dry. Bigyan mo lang ng baby oil yan, pwede na. Tapos, hindi ko kailangan KY na yun. So, you may have infection, you have a tumor, or you will be too young or circumcised, or you have disability. Okay, pero, ang kasaklak dito, ang babae, kung hindi mo upset, dapat ko, kayo na nag-sex na kasama, ay, asawa ko. Sasabihin ng babae, ay, ginamit niya ako noon, yung term ha, ginamit niya, oo. Di ba, ganun pa rin ang attitude or paningin na ginamit. So, this is then a child that share their manifestation. So, counseling that you will have is on depression, you have depression throughout the pregnancy, and the next slide, maraming kinasal because they have become pregnant, pero ngayon hindi nagkakasal sa main church kung buntis na sabi ka ba? Is that true? And then, ito ang masaklap. Lesbians are forced into marriage to be cured of lesbians. That is the gender difference. Ito, will show you that there are not only 3 sexes. There can be 16 sexes. Depending on the hormone, even yung mga drawing, yung shoulder, yung breast, iba-iba, yung genes. So, hindi totoo na tatlo lang ang sexes. So, okay, so when we are counseling, yung dating with discrimination against the lesbians and the gays, dapat mo tayo. Did you know that among the suicides in PGH, there are more females than males who attempt suicide? Pero mas marami yung lalaki na namamatay kasi ang ginagamit yung mga limitar, yung mga pinag. Pero ang babae, usually ang ginagamit siguro sabi nila sa study na nakukonsyensya na yung role niya as a mother to take care of the children. Yung lalaki pwede kami din. But then, the National Mental Hospital, dumadami ang babae na National Mental Hospital. Also, a study showed that medical doctors, they tend to prescribe tranquilizers to women. Hindi na nila pinapa-examine kasi ang assumption nila, ano yan, gusto lang yan, na babae. That's why, kailangan ng mga male practitioners dapat na nila ito. They don't ever ito yung mga findings din sa 2007. The doctor did not consider emotional factors. The healthcare providers that discuss other medication, they were not informed about choices. Kasi yung mga findings. So, hindi lang sinabi sa babae yung lalaki. I should go more into this study to see the gender disparities. Next, please. Yan. Ang 80% pa pala ang DOH to MCAs ang sabi, yung Dr. Dan will change this so that 50 will be. Pero out of the elements of the maternal and child health, ano ba ang para babae siya? Yung